Although both path and clip path elements accept SVG path data in their path data attributes, there is an important difference in how they are rendered. Clip path is rendered at pixel level, which means that any given pixel can either be painted or it cannot. If a given pixel falls within the path described in the path data, then it can be painted, but if it falls outside the path, then it cannot be painted. Path, on the other hand, is rendered at a subpixel level, which means that the amount of any given pixel which falls inside the path can be taken into account when it is rendered. For pixels which the path passes through, it means that rather than just painting the pixel with the full color, it can be painted with a mix of the fill color and the background color, which is proportional to the amount of the pixel which falls inside the path. This makes the edge appear much smoother and is a technique known as anti-aliasing. Here we have two vector drawables. The one in the left panel is a triangle drawn using a path. The one on the right has a path which fills the canvas with the background color, but then has a clip path which limits the drawable region to a triangle. The important thing here is that the path data of the path on the left and the clip path on the right is identical. Common sense would suggest that these should render identically, but this is not the case. If we look at a layout where they appear side by side, and then zoom in to the point where the corners of the two triangles meet, we can see that there is a marked difference. On the left, we can see the anti-aliased pixels at the edge, but on the right we can see that the pixels are either filled or they aren't. To the human eye, the anti-aliased edge on the left will appear much smoother, and the lines on the right are rather more jagged. Of course, any anti-aliasing is only ever relevant where we have diagonal lines or curves. Straight edges such as the bottom edge of the triangle are not affected. However, it is important to understand these differences in rendering to get our vector drawables looking at their best.